Again, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create a Twitter account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So first of all, just make sure you have your Twitter app downloaded and updated, and then you will tap on this Twitter app, and as you can see, this particular page will open. So you will just tap on this create account option. You can just choose the preferred language, then you can just either you can choose skip for now, or you can choose the next option, and here you can type in your name and then just add your email address and your date of birth. And yeah, once you're done with this details, then simply tap on this option called next, and here you can see this another article popped up, then you can just simply tap on this option called next. And now you can again reconfirm your information, then you will simply tap on this option called sign up, tap on it. So they will be sending you a verification code on your entered email address. So you will just go to your email inbox, copy that verification code and just paste it over here. And once you're done with that, simply tap on this next option and you will just create a password for yourself. Once you're done with your password, then you will simply tap on this option called next. Then you will just have to upload a picture. You can just choose from your existing pictures, just tap on any of the picture, then you can tap on this apply option, then you will simply tap on this next option, and this is the username given by Twitter itself suggested. If you would like to change, then you can go ahead and change it. So I'll just go with this given one, then I will just tap on this option called next, and now you can just tap on this option called continue, and you can choose your Twitter to allow your contacts or not. And yeah, here you can just simply choose the topics that you would like to see, and then you will tap on this option called next. Again, this other page will open. Again, choose and tap on next, and then you will just choose an account to follow, and then once you're done with that, tap on the next option, and as you can see, my Twitter account, it's open. And yeah, this is how you can create an account on a Twitter app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.